fourth prince and fourth princess. Fourth prince, Alvin J. Sakaya, the son of Mr. Alvin Rivera and Miss Jocelyn Sakaya. Fourth princess, Iris Yvonne Marion Valeriano, the daughter of Mr. Dolores Van and Cheyan Valeriano. The son of Mr. Marlon and Kayla Del Verka for our Queen 2025.
Wow, napakagaling naman. What an amazing voice. So, kanino kaya nagmana? Kay Mami or kay Daddy?
And our Chairman on Education, Kagawad Franz Baldo, and to teachers and to our MC, thank you so much. Thank you all so much who work hard to make this event successful. Your love and support make all difference in our children's journey. As we close this celebration, let us continue to nurture and guide our young ones to be the best they can be. Smart, compassionate, and full of hope for the future. Thank you everyone, and may we go home today with smile, pride, and inspiration in our hearts. Thank you.
Hello niya ako, ngayong college, ang ato na royal family. For our King and Queen, King 2025 Barry Kingston Verka. Thank you so much sa parents, sa pag-support. Parents, the lola, the lolo, araw ng subok sa pag-support para sa aton na programa ngayon. Parents. Fourth Prince, Alvin J. Sukayan, and Fourth Princess Iris Yvonne Valeriano. Salamat. Wala ko kamagin torture na. Nag-parking ko para makompleto ang ato niya. Royal family from our King and Queen down to Fourth Prince and Fourth Princess. So salamat, palakpakan ng tanan. Thank you so much sa support ninyo.